From 1 Degree Organic Foods is sprouted brown rice crisps. So all ingredients from farmers we know. So gluten-free sprouted brown rice crisps. You can use this as a cereal. Obviously, we're gonna check this out right here. Cereal, or you can use this for baking and mixing, different stuff like that, and different recipes. Very good cereal. 100% transparencies from the farmers and where they source their ingredients. Anyway, let's check this out right here. Organic. Let's see what it says here on the side. Non-GMO, sprouted whole grains, nothing artificial. And this is what it looks like. And let's do a little taste test. Crunchy and delicious. And so anyway, this is what the cereal looks like. We usually use this with different recipes that we can make with different, like peanut butter balls and different things that we'll make at home, but also delicious to eat as cereal. Check out the nutrition facts. 7 servings per container, 3/4 cup. Calories are 110. Anyway, checking the ingredients: organic sprouted whole grain brown rice, organic coconut sugar, unrefined salt, and tocopherols, which is vitamin E. Highly recommend this. From 1 Degree Organic Foods are the sprouted brown rice crisps.